Let's have a shy in Basho Bali. This road is crazy. I thought I'm done coming to this type of road, but this is like a more difficult than roads in Perry Meadows. Everyone, welcome to Basho Bali. Wow! After many hours of bumpy roads and dangerous roads, now we just arrived in Basho Bali. It's really beautiful. Everyone, I made it into Basho Bali. Right now, I'm on the top of the Camel Rock, as you can see. Basho Bali is right there, and it's like a small hike coming from this Camel Rock. So, if you're planning to visit Iskardu, make sure you will visit also Basho Bali. But I want to tell you this now, because no one told me this. Before you came here, it's very struggle. It's like the road is really bumpy and most shakiest, and I believe it's one of the most dangerous road compared to road in Perry Meadows. I was really shocked. I almost vomit my breakfast in the morning. Really crazy, but it's really worth it. As you can see, we are on the top of the mountain. We are on the top of the Skardu. We are on Basho Bali.